the railroad crossing. Now you're gonna look both ways for me, guys. Now that's good. I'm gonna pause this so we can look at the next one. Another railroad crossing, guys. We're at this another railroad crossing. 3 tracks, it says. You guys are looking for me, looking this way for me. Now next one. Now we're at the 3rd crossing, guys. With that one over there. But so guys, we're there. We're here. You can see the crossing. That one thing. We'll see that 3rd crossing again. Alright guys. You got to look for it's for me too again. So guys, ready? There's only like, I don't know how many road crossings are in this one. See, Mom, it says you. Alright, now we have the other road crossing. Alright guys. Last one. Alright. Guys, we're going to the 3rd crossing again. Because we forgot to turn. See that crossing over there? That's my favorite one. Don't mind Daddy Pig's twin. I have 2 Daddy Pigs. Alright guys, you're gonna look for me. Alright guys, ready? Alright guys, that's all for today. Bye guys, see you later. I did not meant to end it. We're gonna go this way again because we're gonna go home soon, so this road crossing over there. My mom's driving my dad's car. Alright guys. Alright, let's go. Let's look. Bye guys.